then you'd clap after the song. I was like, oh, whoa!
Whoa! What is she doing?
Oh my gosh. Got that on video.
What at first you think is like up a hill, but then you realize it's just forward in this jungle because the back of the ship is now above you because of the way that this is flooding. As you actually look behind you, you can see
down, and we're starting to look for other alternatives. What about this? And unfortunately, that wasn't the magic bullet.
Yes, and you can put the heat on diesel. I did.
We were driving on the right lane, and this tractor trailer driver pushed us into the middle lane. We almost crashed into another tractor trailer.
With the union rep. So when you say, Darren, about me not finding something else, the reality, if you get real, is that this was a school principal who works every day with special needs children, pleading with the union to exempt those children. That's the reality. Keith in East Belfast, morning.
Good morning.
Oh, Jesus.
You always pride yourself in giving the balanced view in this. So, Stephen, I don't really care about what salary you're on as long as you keep giving people from Belfast Northern Ireland an opportunity to speak. Another point I want to make. First of all, Gareth from United Union deserves.
Fucking idiot. Have a good one. Opa, desculpa, não vi.
Por aqui?
Ô, cara, pelo amor de Deus.
Entenda não só os olhos do CDC, mas também aos olhos da Lei de Proteção de Dados. Mas vamos lá.
Increase the tankage on it. Okay. So they're building new wing tanks. Here's something that I found out. If you make the fuel tanks out of aluminum, they don't sweat. They don't create. They don't start growing algae.
For a Tuesday, does it get better than that? I don't think so.
Wow. Jesus Christ, dude. Idiots.
Let, urokąt dolbajała, Swindon snot.
I love that station. Here's what he says. See, I'm feeling the pain of losing Jimmy Bain. He was a true favorite and a major contributor to Rainbow Dio and others. His work on Dio's last line album is some of the best music I've heard. I'd like to hear Dio's We Rock to honor his memory.
Same thing would have happened if the Ukrainians had gone up in an air war against Russia. It's the ground war that the Russians are losing, and they are. And that's why NATO and the United States are now flooding the zone.
Okay, Presto.
I don't see a flawed strategy.
Turn around wrong side of the flipping road.
The best. It's kind of nice, isn't it? Knowing that you have the absolute best of something ever made. At Jim Creeshaw Coolers, customers walk out with the best dining every day. I'm talking about...
Jeez, lady, for...
Alright, you think Mama... Sorry.
Stupid ass.
Oh. Man, what is with the street?
I just had a feeling that guy was going to do
Really?
it. Yep.
Oh.
That's why I let off the gas and had my foot right over the brake.
Oh, good job. Sorry for my bad word.
What's the right call here, but like I said, we're gonna go check them out. Yo, stop driving like a faggot, bro. You see me? This dude, bro. What's up, bro? I'll shit out you. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? For driving like so, bro. It's a sweet car, bro, but I'm on a scooter. Come on, dude. He said, what's that for? For driving like so. What else is it for, you? Out of here, bro.